Hello guys! Happy Saturday! Ayan.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto Heather Street.
Ayan, wala. Lagas na yung cherry blossoms guys. Oh. Etong street na to yung pinagpicture namin last year. Kasi umulan eh. Nung last Saturday talaga yun ang peak. Wala, nalagas na siya. Nalaglag na. Ayan, today is April 12. Time check, 9:55 a.m. And then may 12 minutes drive pa kami papunta dun sa indoor gymnasium para sa Easter egg hunt ni Hailey. Yan yung ni-register namin siya. Ito na naman yung sasakyang ano, madaming anik-anik. Ganda ng weather. Sunny kami this weekend. Tingnan natin sa labas. Kasi dito kay Harold 10 degrees eh. Tingnan natin. Currently, Vancouver 8 degrees but feels like 5. Oh, pero tataas pa siya guys ng 12 degrees mamayang 5 p.m. Pero sunny-sunny na. Hanggang ang sunset namin 8:01 p.m. Alas 8. Oh, may liwanag. Nalalapit na ang summer. Yan. First Easter egg hunt ni Hailey. Maliit pa kasi siya nung last year, saka hindi ko alam saan pwedeng mag-register si Hailey. And ito, nirecommend siya ni Kuya Kerwin. Shout out Kuya Kerwin.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Oak Street.
Ano yun? May patubig sila dahil sa mga nagbabike ka. Drive muna. You know, ay Han, Marple Oak Ridge na dito ah. Dito yata yung ano ko. Pwedeng mag-advance voting. Tama ba? Oh yeah, ito yun. Kung gusto ko mag-advance voting, ito, Marple Oak Ridge Community Center. Kaso, 18 Friday, wala eh. Kilona na tayo nun. Pag-uusapan pa namin. Kararating lang namin guys. Oh, ayun. There you go. Oh, let's go.
Dude,
Saan tayo? Dito yata mag-register eh. Let's see. Hi! We are registered for Hailey Chan.
Hailey.
Yes.
There it is.
Are we late?
Oh, no. Don't
You
worry.
guys are just
There's still lots of activities happening.
Okay.
So in this room right here is going to be arts and crafts and face painting.
Yeah.
And then down this ramp in the gym is
Oh, look!
activities and...
For babies, we can have for like her age. It's only 17 months over there. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Wait. Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll explore. Okay. Yeah, let's go here first. Here, over there, Hailey. Oh. Let's go over there. Over there. Let's check first. Hailey, oh look, cool. There's a lot of kids. Come here. Wow. Look, Hailey. Wow. Look. Come here. See, there's activities there. Wow. Come on. Wow. You wanna go there? You wanna go there? Wow. Hey, do you wanna sit over there? Is this? Haley, you wanna go over there? Yee! Ay, what happened to your, ano, Daddy, help mo nga. Yee! Dandahan. Natatakot pa siya. Yay! Ay, takot pa. Uy, dahan-dahan, Daddy. Oh, here. You wanna go here? Here. Yay! Ay, you go over there. Ayun, nasa challenge. Hailey, come here. They'll give you an egg. Come on. Come on. Come on. Over there, oh. Hailey, over there. Over there. With Daddy. Yay. Come here. Over there, Daddy. Ay. Hi. Ay, she's afraid. Over here, Hailey. Hailey, come here. Oh, look at the eggs. Look at the eggs. Oh, over there. Go. Oh, come on. Oh, let me grab this. Oh, let's try that. Wow.
You just get an egg. The most coveted prize. Hello.
Oh, let's go. Hailey, your turn. Your turn.
Do you want to spin for a challenge?
There you go. Daddy will spin. Just spin. Let's see.
Spin. Can you throw an egg and catch it too?
Sure. Throw the egg and he will.
You know what? How about I give you that egg and you gotta throw and catch it? Huh?
Oh, throw and catch it?
Yeah.
That's our challenge.
You gotta catch it.
Catch it. Whoa! Is it this one?
Yeah,
Okay,
that is.
thank you. Thank you. Oh, what's the other one? Go over there. Han, ayun. Ayun, pumipila sila, oh. Hailey has one egg. Yay! Go over there. Challenge. Ang cute to. Hailey, oh. See? Ang dami na din tao, guys. Let's do the challenge. Obstacle course. Ay, hindi kaya ni Hailey pa yan. Ikaw magko-course. Wow.
You have to zigzag through. Zigzag through, right? And then you walk on the beam. And then you hop at the end. Yeah. You all good? Let's go.
Woohoo! Yay! Hindi pa kaya ni Hailey, guys. Pagawa natin kay Harold. Oh, look at that one. Nice! and then
Oh, you don't need to.
for your name. It's hard.
Go around to the other side of the table. Put this box together too.
H pa lang nakita ko, Han.
There's so many
Yun.
letters in here.
A, I.
What do you need? I know. Well, there's. Oh, what's this? Oh no, that's F. Oh, Declan.
I. Oh, puro orange. Ito.
Never mind.
H-A-I-L-E-Y. Ayan. Ito parang may malalaki, oh.
That's 7.
H-A-I. Can I see it? Ang bigat mo, Hailey. H-A-I. Ito may E dito, Han.
Yeah, why no E?
L-H-A-I-L-E-Y na lang.
Pineapple? Anything like that? Or do you have a preference?
Z. Make that.
Ito, ay, B.
That's what your sister said. And pineapple. He says anything. You say
Well, we have D5, so that's good.
Cheese, maybe pepperoni.
Hala,
I think
hirap
we're
pa.
missing some key letters and letters here.
Ay, shoot! Ay, shoot!
Yes.
Yung A nahulog. Yung red.
Oh, good job. Yes.
H-A-I. L-Y na lang.
That's okay.
We're looking A?
Oh, we got one.
L.
Thank you for looking out.
L and Y.
I'm looking for E.
E? Oh, we gotta look.
Uy, Y. Ito. Kaso ano din. Puro orange. L na lang. L. Where's Hailey's L? Oh. Hindi yan L. Ito, ang laki nga lang, ano. Eh, Zaddy. Ay, 7 ba yan? Wait, this is yours. Go L.
For L.
L na lang, Hailey. L. F. Dali, unahan kayo sa L. Ayan. Yay! Oh, ayun, pandikit mo. Here. Take a video. Daddy will do it.
Doon na tayo?
Sige, kunin mo yan.
Ito yung egg niya.
Oo. We're gonna sit. Oh, let's sit here. Asan yung video?
Nandito.
Uy! Ayos, Daddy, ah. H? Pag ganitohan.
Hindi, may ano yata ito eh.
Paper bag niya. Oh, ayan, pag ganyan. There you go. And your egg is here. Wait. Nahuloghan na. H. Yay! Yay! Kita naman. Wide, ano. Where's H? There you... Uy, ayan. Tikit na. H. Yay! Yay! Is that a crown?
Yeah.
How do you...
You can cut ears and I'll help you staple them.
Oh, ears. Okay. We'll finish this one first. Oh, marami na po rin pumila dito. Sa face paint sila nakapila. Yung ano, Hailey, ano? H-A-I. Yay! Yay, Hailey! Wow, may arte pa. Oh, yay! Yay! May arte pa pala si Daddy. Di lang pa ano, pa straight. L. Okay. Uy, yung E and Y. E. E. Say E. E. Yay! Last one. Y. Ang Alisin mo yung scissor kay Hailey.
Get it? Who's scared of the bunny?
Yeah! Yung ano niya, pink.
Use the money to give you a bite.
Yay! Look! Wow! Is that Hailey? Yay! And put your egg inside, Hailey. Put your egg inside. Yay! Yay! How will we do the ears?
Use some scissors and you can cut bigger ears out of the white one.
Out of the white one?
For the
Oh.
color paper, cut out smaller ears.
How do they do it? Can I just... Oh, that's how they do it as well? I'll let my husband wait. I'm not into arts. Yeah. I'm still holding her. Where's Han? Yeah, no. Put it there. Hailey, that's Hailey. That's Hailey. Oh, here, this one, Hailey. Oh. Crown. Yay! Yay! Here. Yay! Oh, look! He's making you a crown. He's making you a crown. Nag-iiyakan. Ano mo siya? Yay! Like this one, Elio. Wow! Wow! Oh, here. Wow! Don't open, ha? He's helping me do the crown with ears. Sabi ko, I don't know how to do it. Oh, there. Ganun pala. Pinapatong. Wow. Hailey, oh, he's doing you a Easter egg. Bunny hat. A bunny hat. Yay! Yay! Wow! Oh, picture natin. Oh, Hailey, thank you. Wow! There you go, Hailey. Wow, thank you. She doesn't like it. Let's put it in your bag. Hailey, egg. Where's your egg? Whoa! There you go. There you go. That's your egg. Oh, we're gonna go dun sa egg na anuhan, no? Kulay-kulay. Look. Kumuha ka ng isa lang dun, no? Dito lang siya magkulay. Really, a color the egg. Ay, puti. Nice. Color the egg. Daddy will color. Daddy will color it for you. Come on.
Hindi, wag na.
Ano ba siya? Oo. Wow. Look at that. Hailey. Come on, Daddy will color it. Wow. Oh, come on. Color. Hailey, like this one, oh. Color? There. Hailey. H. Yay! Nag-ano ba? Washable kaya or nagmamark siya? Kaya mga permanent. Permanent yata yung ganyan eh. Ay, naku, nag-ano oh. Ay, nag-ano siya. Oh. Ay, ayun.
Iba-iba eh.
Yeah. Ellie, here's your egg. Which one? Yay! Which one? Haley's egg. Pwede ka pala kumuha doon ah. Let's go. Haley's eggs. Daddy, para may egg na may iba si Hailey.
Ha?
Para may ibang egg. Mag-shoot na ako dito. Para may ibang egg si Hailey. Teka. Are you happy with that, Hailey? Are you happy with your pink egg? Wow! Are you happy with your pink egg? How many eggs did you get? Oops! Oopsies! Oh my! Ay! 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 Hailey! Here! Here! Egg! Egg! You say egg! Yay! Yay! Are you happy with your egg? Wow! Ay, ang lamighan! Nakabukas yung pinto. Hailey, are you happy with your egg?
Maybe let's go inside the back.
Is that a yellow egg? Is that a yellow egg? Wow! Yay! Is that a pink egg? Sure to, Lola. Sa kanya daw lahat yan. Oops, careful. Are you happy with that, Hailey? Are you happy with your pink egg? Wow! Are you happy with your pink egg? How many eggs did you get? Oops! Oopsies! Oh my! Ay! 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 Hailey! Lola? Sa kanya daw lahat yan. Oops, careful.
A few moments later.
Okay, mama oh. Pataripat ka. Ayan guys, lumabas kami dito sa kanilang parang park. Ooh, look at the cherry blossoms. Palagas na siya. Naglalaglaga na guys. Nice park. Woohoo! Ayan, Douglas Park. Yay! Ganda guys oh. Oh, naglalagas-lagas na oh. Wow! Look at Haley! Wow! Woo! Come here! Come here! Come here! Yay! I know! Yay! Buti may jacket kaming dala. Yay! Dito tayo mag-picture! Dapat dito sila mag-Easter egg hunt. Oh, ikalat nila dito sa ano oh. Oh, malamig pa nga. Ayan guys, cherry blossoms. Ayun! Si Mama. Yay! What happened? What happened?
One eternity later.
Hello guys. Ayan. Update. After namin sa Easter egg hunt activities ni Hailey, nakatulog siya sa kotse and then umuwi na muna kami. Ayan. Pero nagising din siya nung sa bahay na. And then, naiwan na si Mama at si Hailey sa bahay. Kami na lang muna ni Harold ang mag-errands. Imimit namin ngayon sa North Vancouver yung kababata ni Harold sa Pilipinas. Kasi dumaong daw yung
Head east on West
barko
70th
nila
Avenue,
dito
British
dahil
Columbia
seaman
99
siya.
toward French
So,
Street.
pinayagan yata ng boss niya na lumabas. So, yan. Imimit namin sa North Vancouver. And then, baka after nun, mag-grocery kami ni Harold. So, ayan. Mag-iisip kami kung saan kami kakain. Saan namin dadalhin yung kaibigan ni Harold. Kababata daw niya yun. So, samahan nyo kami, guys. Alam nyo bang nakaka-deceive yung init sa labas? Akala nyo maganda na talaga yung weather. Pero malamig pa rin, guys, sa labas. So, 10 degrees. Mahangin. Mahangin pa rin sa labas at malamig. Kaya nagpalit nga ako ng coat. Ayun ba si Harold? Ayan. Oh, buti may resibo siya.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine.
eh.
Panoorin mo na lang sa vlog.
Oo nga.
Vlogger ka. Ayos talaga.
Aambushin kita sa interview kasi na-curious ako eh. Pwede ko mag-tour dyan?
Pwede pong alok dyan.
Pwede di ba, Han? Sila tito kaya pag minsan pag may dumadaong silang kaibigan?
Traffic?
Oo, naku, na-timingan kami. Yeah.
Saan tayo?
First time namin to, Han Shipyards. Kasi gutom na ako. Tayong lahat. Yes.
A few moments later.
Ganda ng weather, guys. Oh.
Kapag sinerba.
Hindi ako makapag-vlog dun sa loob kasi may music, kaya naka-timelapse lang. And ayan, dahil busog na kami, lakad-lakad kami dito sa Shipyards. Han, yung kinainan pala natin, hindi ano, Joey? Nook. Kasi kala ko Joey's na doon sa kabila, oh. Na ano ako. Oo nga, yun pala yung Joey. Mali pala. Nook pala yun, guys. Ako ang namali. Kasi first time din namin dun. Yan. Pasyal. Pag summer, may mga event din dito eh. Ito na maganda na. Hindi na masyadong medyo malamig. Basta nasa araw. Ayun, ang daming bata. Yan ang shipyard. Meron palang kapihan dun, oh. Yung parang doon sa MacArthur Glen. Ayun na, humahangin. Yan ang ayoko, yung hangin. Nilalamig ako eh. Pag ganyang humahangin.
Pag summer talaga na yan,
Ayan, no? Dami ng mga tumatambay, nakaupo doon sa mga chairs. Ito pala si Joey Shipyards eh. Namali ako doon ah.
ilang buwan naman kami.
Ito yung nilakaran natin ha, naalala ko to. Yan, dyan kayo.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, nire-release yun eh.
Oo nga. Naglakad na tayo dito last time. Pasyal natin to si Luloy. Lamig! Humahangin! Kasi nga, dagat. Woohoo! Lamig! Lamig! Dito ako sa may gilid maglalakad. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang view. Oh, 'di ba? Downtown, yun doon. Ayan yung dalawa. Nagka-catch up sila. Magkababata. Mahangin, teka. Rinig ba? Pwede ko yatang i-noise cancellation tong eh. Ayan. May pinindot lang ako dito sa mic ko. Noise cancellation, guys. Sana effect. Tignan natin pag in-edit ko kung marinig yung hangin or yung boses ko lang talaga na clear. Woohoo!
Kaya mga normal na lang sa iyo mga kahit yung mga alak sa atin.
Ayan. Papunta na. Kailan kayo pupunta ng Peru? Bukas? Bukas na ba yung papunta nyo ng Peru? Monday pa daw. Okay. Monday sila sa Peru. Huy! Lamig. Sweater lang to, hindi nila lamig. Lamig.
Buti lang natin yun, balik tayo. Jogging yun. Mababa.
Nakakaiyak na. Luluhan na yung mata ko. Yan. Parin lang natin kasi itong dulo. Parang gusto ko nang pumasok sa kotse. Ang buhay barko. Ang lamig, di ba? Ano? No.
Buti pala hindi tayo nag-paddleboard.
Oo nga, ang lamig. Balak pa namin guys mag-paddleboard.
Pasama tayo tubig. Masama ka pa, tapos hangin pa. Ginaw-ginaw talaga.
Itong ayaw ko eh, yung mapaglil lang yung araw. Humahangin kasi. Ayun oh, ano ba yung seaplane na ba yun, Han? Yeah, yan yung seaplane, turo mo sa kanya. Yan. Yan ang dagat guys. Yun, yung nakikita nyo yun. Seaplane yun.
Baka magkasakit ka lang,
Hindi ka nilalamig?
Lalamig yan.
Wah! Balik na tayo. Kahit ako naka-coat, nalamig din eh. Whew. Lamig. Whew.
A few moments later.
Next stop, Lynn Valley. Ayan oh, picture taking muna ang turista namin. Picture taking bago makita niya ang suspension bridge.
Ano bro?
Ayan guys, nakapagpa-picture na. Ito na oh, Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge. Ayan na, isa pa. Bago makita talaga yung bridge. O yung photographer oh. Maanggulo pa. Galing eh.
Human drone.
Human drone. Ayan na. Hindi ka naman malulain.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Okay. Ha? Sa bagay.
Malala pa sa barko.
Oo nga pala. Mas malala pa pala yung lula nito sa barko. Ayan. Ano, wag na tayo medyo lumayo ah. Kung kayo gusto nyo, hintayin ko na lang kayo. Kasi alam ko may trail pa dun eh. Okay. Okay. Pero kung balak nyo pa, go lang. Ako, hintayin ko na lang kayo dito. Kung bet nyo pa maglakad-lakad. Uy, dahan-dahan ha. Hagdan. Okay. Yan na. Nakarating ulit kami dito. Ayan oh. May falls agad. Yan ang maganda, di ba? Ayan, nakita mo yung bridge. Ayan. Di ba? Yan ang libreng pasyalan dito. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, ayan na guys. Ang dami nagpipicture-picture. Yung ulo ni Harold lang nakikita ko eh. Ang dami palang nasa gitnang tumitigil.
Konti pa nga ito eh.
Kaya nga eh. Teka, yan! Kita! Para tayong dalawa kita dito sa likod. Ayaw tayong videohan ni Harold eh. Yan! Ganda ng scenery dyan sa gilid oh. Ito na guys. Lalagpasan na namin tong suspension bridge. Yun oh, kita mo yung tubig dun oh. Lamig niyan. Yun oh. Over there.
Ba't ka nga namin dito dinala? Puro tubig.
Puro tubig. Hindi, snail bridge. Suspension bridge. Sikip ah.
Linaw ng tubig oh.
Oo, linaw. Ayan. Linaw tubig guys. Traffic.
Wala, ipicture kita.
Sa gitna. Mahirap. Diskartehan nyo.
Tayo, kunwari.
Diskartehan nyo. Ano, didiretso ako? Nagpicture sila doon, didiretso ako dito. Okay. Hintayin ko sila dito sa dulo. Yun oh. Ay. Kahinga. Paakyat. Hintayin ko sila dito guys. Yun, naitawid din. Ay, naiwan. Ayan na pa, konti na yung tao. Mag-picture na kayo, Han. Diyan. Oh, hi muna kayo. Nakapag-picture? Nakapag-picture? Baka daw malaglag eh. Kunin na natin. Uy, tama na. Lalakad pa kayo doon? Pagod ako. Yan, dito. Doon din. Oh, doon tayo dadaan. Yeah, doon na tayo dadaan.
Dito ang mga train.
Oh, diba? Ganda, no? Yung mga puno dito, matatanda na yan. Mas matanda pa sa atin yan. Mga punong yan. Tapos yan, walking trail yan eh, kung dediretsuhin nyo. Ayan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sa mga hindi pa napanood yung vlog namin dati sa Lynn Canyon. Ano yun? Malayo na yan. Medyo malayo pa dyan kung gusto nyo pang lakarin yan. Yan. Tubig-tubig. Yan, sige, dyan kayo. Dito lang ako. Explore nyo banda dyan. Ganda, diba? Ganyang mga punong malalaki. Matataas. Ayan, oh. Oh, diba? Ah, sige, dyan kayo. Ayan, mag-explore kayong mag-BFF dyan. Dito lang tayo pahinga. Kapagod na ako, guys. Ayun na yung dalawa. Ganda dito. Guys, nakaka-recharge. Nature tripping.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laugh